Hey everyone, the Legion R7000, Lenovo's newest gaming laptop, was revealed exclusively for the Chinese market. Lenovo's gaming laptop lineup is further expanded with the release of the Legion R9000P 2024, concurrently with this release. Graphics and processor. AMD's Ryzen 7 8745H processor powers the Legion R7000, offering strong performance for taxing gaming sessions. With graphics options up to Nvidia's RTX 4060, smooth gameplay and excellent visuals are guaranteed. Cooling system. Lenovo's cutting-edge Frostblade cooling system 5.0 is included with the Legion R7000 to help it handle the heat produced by its potent components. With the improved heat efficiency provided by this technology, gaming marathons can continue to run at peak performance. With a 15.6-inch IPS screen and a refresh rate of 144 Hz, this laptop is perfect for fast-paced games that demand precise movements and fluid graphics. With 100% sRGB color coverage supported by the display, accurate and bright colors are guaranteed. It also includes Nvidia G-Sync and AMD FreeSync technologies, which provide a smooth visual experience by minimizing screen tearing and stuttering. The Legion R7000 has a wide range of connectivity choices, such as an HDMI 2.1 output and several USB ports, which make it simple to connect to a variety of external displays and devices. Nahimic technology produces immersive sound quality by enhancing audio. Rapid charging is another feature that the laptop offers, so there is less downtime in between gaming sessions. The TrueStrike keyboard also provides a responsive and pleasant typing experience, which is necessary for work as well as gaming. The Lenovo Legion R7000 can be purchased in China for between $66.99 and $69.99 yuan, or between $923 and $965. Lenovo hasn't yet announced any intentions to sell this laptop in additional countries. The tablet's cutting-edge gaming capabilities are accessible to players worldwide because of its availability outside of the Indian market. The Lenovo Legion gaming tablet, with its fast processor, flexible networking choices, and high refresh rate display, is a serious competitor in the gaming tablet industry. All things considered, the Lenovo Legion R7000 2024 model is a strong option for gamers looking for performance and dependability because it packs strong hardware, cutting-edge cooling, and a high refresh rate display. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, then subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.